Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on projection of solids. The question says draw the projection of a pentagonal prism with base 25 mm side and axis 50 mm long, resting on one of its rectangular faces on the horizontal plane with the axis inclined at 45 degree to the vertical plane. First I'll explain this sum using this Tinkercad 3D software. So this is a pentagonal prism with its base on the horizontal plane. So I'll just convert this into orthographic view. So this is the front view of the prism. So we see the 5 sides of the pentagon, and this will be the top view of the pentagonal prism. As you can see, this is the upper side. Now when I make this transparent, you can see the below hidden lines also. So these are the 2 lines which are hidden, which will be dotted in the top view. And this is the front view with 5 sides of the pentagon. Now further the question says the prism is at an angle of 45 degree with the vertical plane. So I have rotated this at an angle of 45 degree. So it is on the vertical plane and this angle is 45 degree to vertical plane. So in the top view, this will look like as shown here. So we have hidden lines and it is at an angle of 45 degree. So this is the top view, which is in the horizontal plane, and this is the front view, which is in the vertical plane. So these are the hidden lines and this is the main lines or the outer surface. Now I'll show you the actual sum to be drawn on the paper. So first step, you have to draw the vertical line, that is the XY line. First we will draw the pentagon with base side of 25 mm. So this distance is 25 mm. Now to draw the pentagon you have various methods. I use the angle method where we make an angle of 108 degrees. So this is 108 degree. I'll draw a light line through it. Then from the other side also I'll make an angle of 108 degrees. Make a light line through it. Now with side of 25 on the compass, I'll keep the pointer here, cut an arc, keep the pointer here, cut an arc. Then from the arcs, I'll coincide the arcs from both these points, and here you get the pentagon with side of 25 mm. Now the front view is done. Now we have to draw the top view. So for the top view, we'll take the projections of the pentagon from all the sides downwards towards the top view. As we have seen in the video, the top view of the pentagonal prism is a rectangle shape. So I'll draw a rectangle. The height of the rectangle is 50 mm. In the question it is given. Axis is 50 mm long. So from here I'll mark a point 50 mm. And draw a rectangle. I'll just mark the dimensions. base of the pentagon is 25 and the height of this is 50 millimeter. Now, as seen in the video earlier, this is the center line and these are the hidden lines. So this is the bottom base width of 25 which is hidden from the top view. So we are drawing these dotted lines. Now giving notation to the edges are very important. I'll give the notations as A dash to E dash to the pentagon sides. So this is one side of the pentagon. Coinciding with this will be the sides A, B, C, D, E, and this side I'll give the names as 1 dash. Here I'll give 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, and the other side here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So front side and the back side of the pentagonal pyramid, A to E and 1 to 5. Now further the question is given, it is at an angle of 45 degree to VP, inclined at an angle of 45 degree. So we have drawn this angle of 45 degree. Now we'll place this rectangle on this 45 degree angle line. So you can take the dimensions on the scale or you can directly take the compass and place it here. So this is the height which is 50 millimeter. The width, you can take the measurement, keep the pointer here, cut an arc. Now we'll draw a perpendicular line through here, join till the arc. Now you can just draw parallel lines and complete the rectangle. Now we will mark the hidden lines and the center line also. So this distance, keep the pointer, cut an arc, then this distance, keep the pointer, cut an arc. This is the same distance from this side also. So same distance, cut an arc. Now you can draw the parallel lines through these points also. This is the hidden line, this is the center line, and this is again the hidden line. So we have placed the rectangle on the 45 degree angle line. I'll just draw the hidden lines, that is dotted lines here. Then mark the notations as we have marked here in the top view, same notations. This is A, B, C, D, E. Now we are done with this top view. Now we'll take the projections of this top view upward towards the front view. So take all the points projection A, E, B, D, C, and then 1, 5, 3, 4 and 2. Now take this pentagon projections also towards the right side. This both points will coincide, so this will be one line and the top line. Now we have to just coincide the points. This is A, this is A dash, so this will be A1 dash. Then next B, B dash, coinciding will be B1 dash. C, C dash, coinciding point will be C1 dash. Then D, D dash, this will be D1 dash. then E, E dash, this will be E1 dash. Now same for these points, 1, 1 dash coinciding will be 1, 1 dash, 2, 2 dash coinciding will be 2, 1 dash, 3, 3 dash coinciding will be 3, 1 dash, 4, 4 dash coinciding will be 4, 1 dash, 5, 5 dash from here, this will be 5, 1 dash. Now joining these points will give you the front view of the pentagonal prism. So first I'll join this pentagon part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this I'll join this pentagon. This is the back side. So few of the lines of this will be hidden behind, so we'll be drawing it dotted. So this is the actual front side shape, solid shape of the pentagon. So this is the solid shape. Now I'll draw the dotted lines which are hidden. So these are the hidden lines which is behind the solid pentagon. And with this we are totally done with the sum. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.